Do you want to make passive income by selling digital products? Using AI tools, you can easily create and sell various digital products that have the potential to earn you over $10,000 per month. The best part is that since they are digital, most of that revenue is profit. So, let's jump right in digital product ideas you can create and sell using AI tools. The first idea is to sell printable coloring pages, which can include various themes like animal and mandala designs for both kids and adults on marketplaces like Etsy. Relaxing Color is an example of a shop offering such pages that has earned over $90,000 in revenue, making $4,500 monthly. To create similar products quickly, AI can be utilized, starting with ChatGPT, an AI program that can answer any question and provide detailed information based on the text entered. By asking ChatGPT for ideas on children's coloring pages, the program suggests animal and fantasy vehicle designs. To generate images for these pages, Midjourney, another AI program, can be used. By typing in prompts for children's animal coloring pages, Midjourney quickly generates detailed images. Upscaling or generating new images with the same prompt can be done with the press of a button. The second idea on the list is clip art. Clip art is typically offered in packages of graphics that buyers can use in their own personal projects. I found a shop that is offering many types of clip art packages. They have really cute ones, watercolor packages, and have already made over $966,000 in revenue, bringing in over $10,000 in revenue every single month. So let's figure out how we can get into this market using AI. For this digital product idea, we're going to use Kittl, which is a graphic design software that is very easy to use. You can see all of these super cute food clip art that I created in Kittl within a matter of minutes. In order to generate these, go to the Kittl AI feature just down over here and you can actually filter the type of styles that you want to create. I'm going to go for the kawaii icon and I'm going to type in my prompt right here. Now, if you're wondering how should I write out my prompt, the great thing is they actually have a prompt book. So just click on Learn More right over here and they give you examples on how you should write out your text depending on what you are creating. Under clip art styles, it looks like less is more. So I went ahead and typed in an Apple click, generate image, and that's what I got. It is absolutely adorable. I love it. Now, of course, if you don't like the image, you can just generate the exact same prompt again, and it will create a whole new image for you. So now what I want to do is remove this white background because I want to offer clip art with a transparent background. So I clicked on AI Background Remover right over here and now that looks perfect. I can offer that. The third idea is digital paper. It is an interesting business opportunity lies in the digital paper market, which offers a variety of styles and patterns for use as either physical or digital products. Customers can print the digital paper for use in scrapbooks, cards, or wrapping paper, or use it digitally as wallpaper or backgrounds in their own digital creations. One particular shop has already made a staggering 80,000 sales and earned over $3 million in revenue by offering instant downloads of cute and specific digital paper patterns. To tap into this market quickly, a Kittl can be used to filter pattern styles, such as Baroque, and generate customized images based on specific graphics and colors. Although some may wonder why customers would pay for these products instead of creating them themselves, many people are unaware of the existence of such platforms or are unwilling to pay the monthly subscription fees required to use them, making it a profitable business opportunity. Next and last digital product idea is checklists. I've talked about printable planners and checklists performing really well on Etsy, but the best way to make sales as a new seller is to get very specific on the type of planner or checklist that you're offering. I found this shop as an example that has made over 85,000 sales and they're offering many types of planners, but they're also offering checklists, which I noticed that they're making a lot of sales from specifically. And this shop has already made over $1 million in revenue, bringing in over $19,000 monthly. So the first thing I did was I hopped onto ChatGPT and I asked it to give me ideas for checklists. I just want to get some ideas on what I can create because I want to get very specific and it gave me great ideas that I didn't even think about. Travel packing checklists, home cleaning checklists, event planning checklists, and I can confirm from this Etsy keyword research tool that cleaning checklists and wedding checklists have lower competition and they're making many sales. So I decided for my research that I want to create a home cleaning checklist. So I hopped back onto ChatGPT to give me some items that I need to include in my cleaning checklist. So it gave me a lot of details under this prompt that I can now just copy and paste into the checklist that I create. So this product does require some work on your end because you will need to now transfer this information into a graphic design tool like Canva and make it look the way you want. But you can see that more than 50% of the work is already done for you just by ChatGPT giving you all of the ideas to include. I know we went through these ideas really quickly, but I really just wanted to show you the possibilities using some of these AI features. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If so, give it a like and we'll see you in the next one.